Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest digital platform where everyday educators are teaching the life. So guys, myself, C. Abhishek Bansal, I take CA Final Audit on Unacademy. Guys, today is a very big announcement from Unacademy and one of the leading premier institute in CA coaching in South India. Here, Unacademy has collaborated with that institute to teach you live on Unacademy CA Finals YouTube channel along with the Unacademy app. The name of the institute is Yashash Academy from Bangalore. And we have Devang sir with us who will be representing Yashash Academy, Bangalore, and will be guiding us what, why, where, when, how to do everything about CA. The best part about Yashash and Unacademy is the sessions on Unacademy app through Yashash Academy would be 100% English. So people who definitely want to understand in 100% English, it will be beneficial for all of them. Because it's an amazing thing which has happened very recently on Unacademy, and the entire institute has collaborated with Unacademy. So guys, the aim to become CA, right from foundation to inter to final, everything would be taught. Now your best institute, that's Yashash at Unacademy. Sir, I welcome you on behalf of the entire team of Unacademy. Sir, now
Thank you, sir.
I want to listen to you. What is Yashash and why this has happened? What about CA? All levels, one level, everything, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, sir, and hello to everyone over there. So yes, Yashash Academy has been into this CA teaching since over 17 years now. And as per sir's announcement, yes, we are now collaborating with Unacademy for the virtual platform. And yes, it is going to be very huge now because first of all, as sir said, this is the first time where an entire institute is collaborating with Unacademy. So what we will be offering will be an organized coaching pattern for all levels of CA, from foundation, inter, as well as CA final. And with all our experience of 17 years of coaching, we'll now be sharing that on the virtual platform to all over India, all students in India. Yeah, so it is very exciting for me, very exciting for all of us here.
So which subject do you take?
I take the subject of costing at the CA final level.
Okay. So, sir, if as a student, I am just registered for foundation. So now, as you said that you'll be teaching at all three levels. So is it worth that I should take the plans of Unacademy for foundation and inter and finals, everything at one place, or should I look up to other options also?
Well, first of all, at Unacademy now you'll be getting the best faculties all over. So it is definitely good that you can choose Unacademy for all subjects. And if you take a subscription in Unacademy, then under that subscription, you'll be able to view any subjects under that subscription. It's not subject specific. So definitely it will be best for the student for getting into the Unacademy itself for all his subject requirements.
Sir, and the session would be live.
Yeah, all sessions live. So it will be interaction with the students. You know what happens in the face-to-face classes I've noticed is that many students who are little shy and they are not able to ask questions and all. And in this virtual platform, definitely that problem will not come because student face is not going to be seen. You just have to ask questions on the chat window, and also definitely it will be very much comfortable for every student, and they can easily ask questions, interact with the faculties personally, and that will be a beautiful learning experience for all of them.
So you mean to say everything at one place in one box?
Yes, exactly.
Your mobile or a laptop?
Yes, exactly.
So do you think COVID has given us a boom that you can be associated, you'll be sitting at a place and then you can teach to thousands and then lakhs of students in the entire country.
Definitely, COVID has given a boom. But what I feel is that even if COVID was not there, then this boom was supposed to come. It was anyway supposed to come. Like movie theaters, people have reduced going to the movie theaters now that they're getting to watch movies on the OTT platforms. Even before COVID, people had started watching movies on OTT platforms. So same goes over here.
So that's great, sir. So, sir, as a student, generally everyone has this confusion. Sir, you will give us support only for the coaching, only for the teaching, or what about the test, the quizzes, the exams? Everything will be
Okay.
included?
Okay, with this collaboration, we will be having a coaching, we'll be providing all the materials that the student needs, plus whatever teaching, whatever I teach on the screen, that also can be downloaded by the student. Plus, we'll be having tests conducted and doubt solving sessions separately conducted, and also everything will be taken care of. This is like a whole package. The students will not need anything else beyond this. We will be providing full-fledged exam preparation for them.
Great, sir. Great. That's amazing. Sir, any experience you want to share with the students? Because there are a lot of confusions in the market at CA. We should do, we should not do, and is it worth it? What? Because now you are representing Yashash, and now you are part of family of Unacademy. So now we all are in the same plate. So, sir,
Yes.
any experience you want to share, sir?
Yes, definitely. In fact, generally the students have a fear that CA exams are very tough exams and not many people clear them and all. But what I always say to my students is that CA exams are not tough. It is simply long. The syllabus is very huge, very long. It is not tough. It is just long. All the student requires is a simple level of consistency and dedication. I'll take you example. I'll give you example. I myself was from a science background. And after my science background, like 11, 12, I did in my science. And after that, I was going to get into engineering college. But on the day of my engineering college admissions, on the night before that, in my dreams, I had some khichdi in my brain. And due to that, next day, I did not go for the engineering admissions. Instead, I registered into a CA coaching institute. And that is how my CA journey started. And being a science student, I never faced any specific difficulties in understanding and learning the commerce subjects. So I believe that for the students also, it is going to be not a very tough thing for that. Only thing is, he needs a consistent efforts to be given throughout the entire year.
So that would be done together by us, the team of Yashash and the Academy team.
Yes,
that
sir,
will be
definitely
done.
We will make the students be consistent, will make the students give consistent efforts.
Okay. So guys, the best part was the session would be live, number one. In case even if you miss the sessions, you can watch it in the recorded session also.
Yeah.
Everything would be there. You don't have to go subject wise. You don't have to hunt for the teachers. You have to go to X, I have to go to Y, I have to go to Z. Every educator, you will see it on Unacademy platform. At your convenience, you can watch it. The best part is if the session is in the morning, and it's very normal for a normal human being not to get up so early. Do not worry, you can watch it in a recorded session. Two session would be in the evening. So in case if you miss because of office work, because you guys will be going for articleship, not to worry, you can watch it in a recorded session. So the best part is the timetable, the planning, the consistency, discipline, which was lacking since like 1.5 years because of the COVID issue, because people were not able to attend face-to-face. Unacademy has brought this thing in your life now, everything at one place.
Plus, I'd also like to add that because of the institutional tie-up, Unacademy and Yashash being an overall institute for all levels of coaching, because of that institutional tie-up, another benefit that will be there for the students is that under this tie-up, we will be providing them an organized batch pattern for all subjects. So the timetable will also be pre-decided for all the subjects so that student can plan his study accordingly. It's not like after finishing one subject, he needs to now search that when to start the next subject. No, we have all the timetables set that after this subject, then this subject. So there will be, as you said, student doesn't need to hunt that now which subject to do and which faculty to take and all. It is all an organized batch pattern here. So that will be a great benefit to the student.
So guys, you get structure, you get discipline, you get mechanism to do it. So I think at all levels, foundation ho, inter ho, ya final ho. So everything would be at one place. It's like, yes, sir, the food is served in a plate. You just have to eat.
Exactly. Exactly. It is not like you have to search for food items at different counters. Correct. We have all the counters ready. We are serving it in the plate and giving it to you.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So anything thing about Yashash if you want to share, because there will be a lot of students from different parts who would not be knowing about Yashash.
Okay. As you said, Yashash is the #1 coaching institute for face-to-face classes in entire South India. And now that we are joining with we are joining with Unacademy, so that Yashash Academy benefit will be obtained by all the students throughout India. We have an experience of over 17 years. We have produced thousands of All India ranks till now, and all the way, every faculty at Yashash are all expert in their own fields. So trust me, the students will be getting a great experience while getting learning at Yashash with Unacademy.
That's amazing. So that's amazing. Not only Bangalore, but I would say the entire India would be benefiting. Plus, there are students who appear from Nepal, from Dubai. They also would be getting benefit because today virtual is the next reality, you can say.
True, true.
That's great. So guys, so everyone, you guys are invited to Unacademy app. Subscribe to the Unacademy CA channel because now everything would be at Unacademy. If you know Yashash, if you do not know Yashash, it doesn't matter. We all are now one part of the family. And trust me, it's our aim to make you chartered accountant as soon as possible.
Yes, sure.
We have joined hands with Yashash. I hope we join hands with you and let's collaborate together and be a part of the esteemed institution that's Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and be Chartered Accountant ASE. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being this part of session, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir, and thank you all the students.
Bye, sir. Bye.